sauce.
Hey, buddy. How you feeling?
I'm great. Ready to get back in action.
Yeah, about that. I've got some great news. You, my friend, are taking early ass grenades. You're gonna be able to play ass grenades. Often ass grenades. Spend time with the ass grenades.
I don't have
Ass grenades. Well, now's your chance to get some.
I'm Amy Rose, and I'm sick.
Amy, I know who you are. Okay. Last question. What would you do in a no-win situation? Ass grenades. Huh. You really get it, new guy.
I do get it, but I'm not a new guy. In reality, I am none other than...
Tails? You cannot be my sidekick.
All qualified candidates welcome. Best candidate gets the job. I'm a lock. Unless there's something you're not telling me.
Fine, but get ready for the tryout of your life.
Sonic! I have one last surprise for you. I took your advice. Burnbot can burn things.
I can't swim. I can't swim.
Let me in! I demand a clap! Knuckles, what's wrong?
Ass grenades.
Isn't working out.
Oh. So you're...
Ass grenades.
I'm a crazy pizza man!
I can't swim.